Hi, my name is Carolin from Fadenkäfer, and today we're gonna sew a protective mask for mouth and nose. Therefore, you need an outer fabric and a lining fabric. The outer fabric is measured 20 by 26 cm and the lining fabric is measured 20 by 20 cm. Furthermore, you need two elastic bands, both measured 24 cm, and a wire. For example, we use a track strip we just pulled out of the plastic pouch. Use a fabric you can wash at least at 60 degrees. At first, we lay the lining fabric right to right, which means that we put both nice sides on the fabrics on top of each other. The lining fabric is laid in the middle of the outer fabric, so that we can see a free stripe on each side. These have a width of 3 cm. Now we transfix the lining fabric on the outer fabric. We do that at the top and the bottom of the fabrics. Now sew on the lining fabric with a seam allowance of 1 cm. So now we have the lining fabric sewed on at the top and the bottom with a straight stitch. Turn the piece around and iron the upper and lower edge. Now both edges are ironed. Top stitch the fabric now on both sides with 1 cm of seam allowance. And next we pull in the wire. Afterwards, you fold the fabric in the middle lengthwise and iron the edge. The first fold is now ironed. Unfold it now and fold the lower and the upper edge to the middle. Again, iron over the edges. Now we're gonna iron the remaining folds. Unfold the piece again so that the wire we pulled in before lays at the top. We take the first fold and fold it downwards away from the wire. The height of the fold is 1 cm. Transfix the folds at both sides. Now we build the next fold. Again we fold it 1 cm downwards and transfix it at both sides. One fold is still left. We take it again, fold it 1 cm downwards and transfix it with clips. To avoid that the folds open up, we transfix it at both sides, short-edged with a straight stitch. Now we have fixed the folds at the left and right side. Turn around the piece to the other side of the fabric and fold in the short edges 2 times on each side. One time up to the lining fabric and once again on top of the lining fabric. After that, we transfix it. We do the same again at the other side of the fabric. At first, we fold it up to the lining fabric and then on top of it. Transfix it again with clips. We sew it off now from this side of the fabric with a straight stitch. This way it tunnelizes at both sides, where we're gonna pull in the elastic bands in the next step. Now we pull in the elastic bands. I have already done that on one side and prepared it at the other side. Therefore, we use a turning pin we sting through the tunnel. Insert the elastic band in one end and pull the turning pin back through the tunnel. Both elastic bands are now pulled through. You can also use other material for the mask, like broadband rubber with a thickness of 5 mm. Now we tie the ends of both elastic bands. Now the ends of both elastic bands are tied and their length is customized to my head. The knots of the elastic bands are now pulled into the tunnel, which is already done on this side, and here we're gonna pull it into the tunnel too. Your protective mask is now finished. Now I'm going to show you how to put the mask on properly. The wire is at the top and we put the mask in the middle right on the nose. We pull the elastic bands behind the ears and press the wire at the same time onto the nose. Eventually, we pull the mask over the mouth to the chin. This way everything is covered, nose and mouth. Have fun sewing your mask and stay healthy!